Your hydroponic plants look perfect, green, growing, healthy. Then overnight, they collapse, yellow leaves, stunted growth. And when you check the roots, brown, slimy, dead, that's root rot. It's the number one killer in hydroponics. But here's the truth, it's not bad luck, it's preventable. Root rot is what happens when harmful bacteria and fungi take over your roots. Healthy roots are white, firm, and smell like nothing. Rotting roots are dark, mushy, and stink. In hydroponics, it spreads fast, way faster than in soil because everything is connected by water. One sick plant can infect your whole system in days. The first cause, lack of oxygen. Roots breathe. If your water is stagnant, they suffocate. Without an air pump, roots die, and dead roots always lead to rot. Second, high water temperature. Warm water holds less oxygen and grows more bacteria. Above 24 degrees Celsius, you're basically inviting disease in. Third, a dirty system. Leftover roots, algae, or dirty tools introduce pathogens always. And fourth, overfeeding. Too much food stresses roots and feeds bad microbes. More is not better. Step 1, add oxygen. Air stones and pumps keep water moving. Roots need bubbles like fish need water. Keep those roots breathing to prevent the bacteria from taking hold. Step 2, control temperature. Keep your nutrient solution between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius. Use a chiller or insulation if needed to keep things cool and oxygen rich. Step 3, clean everything. Between grows, disinfect your tanks, pipes, and tools. Bleach or food-grade hydrogen peroxide works perfectly to reset your system. Step 4, use root protectors. Add beneficial microbes to fight pathogens at the root level. Products like HydroGuard act as a shield for your plant's health. Check your roots once a week. Healthy roots should always be white, firm, and odorless. If something looks off, act immediately. Prevention takes only 5 minutes. Want to master hydroponics and stop killing your plants? Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly tips. Your plants don't fail by accident. They fail because of things you can fix today. Now go check those roots.